This fully automated log processing line features an inclined loading rack and an automatic conveyor system. Logs are fed into an automated cutoff saw, which automatically measures and sets their lengths. The system is adjustable to accommodate 5 different specifications as needed, with CNC-enabled fine-tuning capabilities. Following the cutoff stage, the logs are automatically discharged via a rolling output track and transferred to a rolling input track, where they enter a multi-blade log saw for cutting, utilizing a roller clamping mechanism. The timber is smoothly conveyed through the machine, with the slabs are automatically separated, and the material is aligned against the gas fence before entering a multi-blade square timber saw for final processing. The finished timber strips are then automatically discharged, completing the production cycle. If you are interested in this equipment, please leave a message and we will contact you promptly.
WhatsApp number 15963347203.